हाँ जी, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम जिस एक्साइटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात करने जा रहे हैं, दिस इज द सूसी 2022। यस, दिस इज द समर एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड दिस इज द fully funded program. So if you wanted to check out this site, you may find the link in the description of that video. And if you wanted to check out other opportunities like internships related to jobs, admissions, latest scholarships or exchange programs, you can also visit that site. So we are going to discuss about the SUSI program that is in United States, and this is the summer exchange program for 2022 and this is the fully funded program. So इससे पहले जो लोग इसके लिए अप्लाई कर चुके हैं सीनियर्स वो सब जानते होंगे दिस इज द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द यंग स्टूडेंट्स. So this program is basically for the university students. They may apply for it. Both male and female are eligible for that SUSI 2022 program. IELTS or TOEFL, like any English proficiency test is not required for that summer exchange program, and dates for that program are open now. This is basically a 6 week summer exchange program, and this is basically sponsored by the US Department of States. So you don't need CGPA, means like that if you don't have a good GPA, you may apply for it. Hopefully you may be selected. It is based on your performance that you fill in the performa. So you don't need a passport even at the time of applying. So if you will be selected, then you can make your passport for that program. So that's about this leadership program. And here is the brief description about that program. This is basically in the US, United States of America, and this is about the university, and this is the 5 to 6 weeks, and total number of participants are 30, and this is the fully funded program. That's our dates about the duration of that program. And this the deadline for that program is 3rd December 2021 for the Pakistani students. So if you are eligible and if you are interested, you may apply before 3rd December 2021. This is for the Pakistanis. And if you are from any other country, you may check out your country in the list from here. You can click on that link and you can check out your country in the list. So that's about the eligibility of the applicants for the SUSI program 2022. Both males and females are eligible, and CGP is not required as we already discussed, and everyone must apply because this is the best opportunity for you all. And this is about the eligible fields. Almost all fields are eligible for that program. That's about the financial coverage, that's very important, so you must check it out. That's all about the financial coverage, financial funding of the SUSI 2022. That's are basically the benefits that you get after selection in the SUSI 2022 program. So that's all about the benefits. Here we are going toward the eligibility criteria. That's the eligibility criteria about the applicants for the 2022 program. Students that are enrolled in the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh of their 4-year bachelor degree program, they can apply for that SUSI program. And if they are enrolled in the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, if they are in the 5-year medical degree, they can apply. Means that if they are enrolled in the MBBS for 5 years and they are from apply for the SUSI 2022. And if they are enrolled in the 2-year bachelor degree program, you are eligible to apply if you are not in your final year of study. Means that final year students are not eligible for the SUSI 2022 program. And if you are enrolled in the 4-year bachelor degree program, you can apply if you have at least one semester of study remaining. Final semester students are not eligible to apply for that program. And if you are enrolled like in MBBS program, you can apply if you have at least one semester of study remaining, because as I already discussed that final semester students are not eligible. And applicants should be fluent in English. Their age should be between 18 to 25. They have strong leadership abilities, qualities. They have basically they indicate a serious interest in learning about the USA culture. and have demonstrated a commitment to the community and the extracurricular university activities. So that's all about the eligibility criteria for the SUSI program 2022 in the USA, and this is the selection timeline. You may check it out from that site, and this is the deadline again here. This is the 3rd December 2021 for the Pakistani students. So you can apply from that site. If you want to get updated, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel as well. So for apply, you have to visit that official site. We are going toward the official site, so I will guide you about apply procedure. This is the official website. We are here on the official site of the SUSI program 2022. Here you will find the details, all details again officially. You can check all the details before applying as well. So if you wanted to apply, you have to download that SUSI 2022 application form, link the SUSI program. So I already downloaded it. It is in Word form. Okay, one more thing. After completion of your form, you must email that form toward the embassy for the SUSI 2021, because email, here you will see, here is the instruction for the part, for the participants. Here you will see only emailed applications will be considered for review. So you must email your application after filling your performa. So basically this is the performa, you can see here. This is the application form for the SUSI 2022. You have to fill it out and then you have to mail it. So that's all about SUSI program 2022. If you still have any query, or if you wanna to discuss anything about the application form, you may contact with them or comment. So we can make another video about the filling of application performa. So that's all. Best of luck. I must suggest apply for that SUSI 2022 program. Best of luck again.